In this video, we will see how we can easily install BlueStacks. BlueStacks is basically a game-based platform wherein you can easily enable Android applications to run on your PC. So whether your PC is Windows 10 or Mac, BlueStack will allow your app to run on it. So it founded in 2011 and their products are amazing. Now let us see how we can download and install BlueStack. Go to the browser. Here type BlueStack. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website bluestacks.com is visible. Just click on the website. So this is the website. You just need to click on download BlueStacks. Download started. You can see exe file. Now I'll click on the arrow and click on open. Let's minimize this. Now you can see BlueStacks 4 is visible. Customize installation, accept software license. We have accepted it. Now let's customize installation. Here the path is visible wherein the BlueStacks data will get stored. You can change the path from here. I'll keep the same under C drive program data folder. Space required is around 2048 MB. That is around 2 GB of space. We have a lot of space. Now I can click on install now. Click on it. Now it is downloading 529 MB. Previously what we downloaded from the website was an installer. So guys, the download completed as you can see here. Now it is just checking the requirements and finalizing the installation. We installed BlueStack. Now on the desktop, the shortcuts are visible. Click on it. Now BlueStack started. I'll do it later. Here are the games visible. You can search the games from here, from this option. From here you can check all the games. From here all the installed games would be visible. You can search any game here. Here all the games are visible. So we have changed the skin. In this way you can easily run games on BlueStacks. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install BlueStack. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.